Channing, huge fan. I was reading your blog and I saw that whoever eats the most pancakes at Stepping Stones gets 2 tickets to a Blazer game. So I figured it would be in my best interest if I recruited one of my friends who can eat a lot. So meet Danny.
Am I on? Hey Channing, this is Danny, Kendall's friend, here outside Stepping Stone. I'm planning to set the record for most pancakes eaten and get the tickets to the Blazer game.
How do you feel?
Well, after starving myself last night, waking up early, playing some lacrosse, doing the ab lounge from 40-Year-Old Virgin, I'm feeling great. I'm feeling prepared. I'm looking around, it's a great atmosphere. We got the waiter's a Blazer fan, and we got some Blazer fans behind us. I love the atmosphere, we're great. Here's our waiter, Blazer fan, Blazers all day. I'll get the triple stack.
Triple stack?
Yeah.
Got it? You sure you're man enough?
I can handle it.
What do you think, Channing?
Danny's gonna do this. Just like the Blazers are gonna make the playoffs, Danny is gonna eat so many pancakes. He's gonna make Portland and Channing Frye proud.
All right, one man stack. And do you even need some syrup with that, man?
No, I'm just gonna try and go plain.
Really? You want it just in case?
Yeah, just in case.
Cool. Chris?
Alright, I will attempt to eat the man stack. There's 3 pancakes. We'll see how I do. Maybe round 2. We'll see, Channing. I'm doing this for you. Yeah, Mike wasn't around because you're watching TV.
How is it?
It's a little hot, but I love it.
Completed 1 pancake.
Feeling strong, so it's pretty big, but your blog didn't clarify what size pancake to get. So people who come in here send you videos of little baby pancakes. You gotta take a look at the size of this guy. I'm eating it pizza style. I threw away the knife and the fork. I'm just cutting it, going head by hand. Thought you'd respect it, Channing. Talk to you in a little bit. Not gonna lie, the taste of pancakes is getting to me. It's a little harder than I expected. The exercise I put forth this morning is not having as big of an effect as I thought. I'm gonna truck through these, get a second win, you know? Alright, 2 down, 1 to go. The head's getting a little light, kind of getting dizzy. Stomach cramps. I did the ab exercise before this. It's all starting to come together. Hunger, fullness, abdominal strength. My head's just
Come on, Danny, this is the 4th quarter. Finish it out. Channing Frye time.
The taste of pancake was actually repulsing me a little bit. Turn to the Diet Coke, wash out the mouth a little bit, get a fresh palate. I rolled it up like a tortilla. 1 bite equals basically 1/3 of the pancake here, so just gotta.
Come on. Blazer game, Blazer game.
A little more diet?
It's the last stretch. My stomach is massive. I'm just gonna finish strong. I hate the taste of pancakes right now. This is for you, Channing. This is for you.
I'm smoking a cigarette, man. You did it, dude. You're done.
Not yet, no. That's not done yet. You can't finish
These
it.
last bites. Wait, I'm about to puke. good. We're good.
Last bite. Finish it out, finish it out.
Give me water, give me water.
Finish it out. The plate is clean.
Oh my god.
Finish it, finish it.
I can't swallow.
Swallow, no, Danny. Swallow it.
Yes! I did it. I came, I saw, I conquered. It was tough. But Channing, I need these tickets. I've been a die-hard fan since day one. I've been following you guys since the day I was born, 1991. Big year in Blazer history, 1991. I went through the good days, the Sabonis days, went through the bad days with Zach. Now we're just taking a step forward. And I love the Blazers. She just cut right when I had a mix of a throw up and a burp come. Kind of upset. I love you, Channing.